Ever found yourself scrolling through your credit card statements, wondering, is this really a bank? You see the logo, you see the transactions, but something feels different. Maybe it's the way they market themselves, maybe it's the perks, or maybe it's just that nagging feeling that it's not quite the same as the big, established names. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Rogers Bank and answering that very question, is Rogers Bank a bank? Let's be honest, the Canadian financial landscape is dominated by a few major players. We're talking the Big Five, the institutions that have been around for generations. So, when a telecom giant like Rogers decides to step into the banking arena, it raises eyebrows. It prompts questions. It makes you wonder, what's the angle? What are they trying to do? To understand Rogers Bank, we need to rewind a bit. Rogers Communications, as you know, is a telecommunications giant. They're in your phones, your internet, your cable. They've built a massive ecosystem of services, all aimed at keeping you connected. So, why banking? The answer, in short, is data and customer loyalty. In today's digital age, data is king. And what better way to gather data than by seeing how people spend their money? By offering financial services, Rogers gains a deeper understanding of its customers' habits, preferences, and needs. This, in turn, allows them to tailor their offerings, personalize their marketing, and ultimately, build stronger, more profitable relationships. But it's not just about data. Rogers also recognizes the power of bundling. If you can get your phone, internet, cable, and credit card all from the same provider, it creates a sense of convenience and stickiness. You're less likely to switch providers if you have all your services tied together. This is the classic strategy of creating a comprehensive ecosystem, locking customers in and maximizing their lifetime value. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is Rogers Bank a real bank? The answer is a resounding yes, but with some crucial nuances. Rogers Bank is a federally regulated Schedule I bank in Canada. This means it operates under the same rules and regulations as any other chartered bank in the country. It's subject to oversight by the Office of the Superintendent of Financial Institutions, OSFI, ensuring that it maintains adequate capital, manages risk properly, and protects depositors. However, Rogers Bank is a relatively new player in the market. It doesn't have the same sprawling branch network as the established banks. It doesn't have the same legacy of financial expertise. Instead, it leverages its existing customer base and digital infrastructure to offer a streamlined, tech-focused banking experience. Think about it. Rogers already has millions of customers using their services. They have a sophisticated billing and customer management system in place. They have a strong brand presence. By building a digital-first bank, they can capitalize on these existing assets and offer a competitive alternative to traditional banks. One of the key differentiators for Rogers Bank is its focus on rewards and cashback. Their credit cards are designed to integrate seamlessly with their other services, offering generous cashback rates and perks for Rogers customers. This is a powerful incentive for customers to consolidate their spending with Rogers, further strengthening their loyalty. They also need to navigate the complexities of the financial industry. Banking is a highly regulated and complex business. It requires specialized expertise and a deep understanding of risk management. Rogers Bank needs to build a team of experienced professionals who can navigate these challenges and ensure the long-term success of the bank. So, what does this all mean for you, the consumer? Should you consider banking with Rogers? The answer, as always, depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're a Rogers customer who values convenience, rewards, and a tech-focused banking experience, Rogers Bank could be a good fit. Their credit cards offer competitive cashback rates and perks that can save you money on your Rogers services. However, if you prefer a traditional banking experience with a wide network of branches and a long history of financial expertise, you might be better off sticking with one of the established banks. Ultimately, the decision is yours. Do your research, compare your options, and choose the bank that best meets your needs. Now, let's address some common misconceptions about Rogers Bank. Misconception 1. Rogers Bank is just a credit card company. While their credit cards are a major focus, Rogers Bank is a full-fledged Schedule I bank. They offer a range of financial products and services, including savings accounts, GICs, and other banking solutions. Misconception 2. Rogers Bank is not as secure as the big banks. As a federally regulated bank, Rogers Bank is subject to the same strict security standards as any other chartered bank in Canada. Your deposits are protected by the Canada Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC, up to certain limits. Misconception 3. Rogers Bank is only for Rogers customers. While Rogers customers receive additional perks and benefits, anyone can apply for a Rogers Bank account or credit card. Misconception 4. Rogers Bank is just a marketing ploy. While marketing and customer loyalty are certainly factors, Rogers Bank is a legitimate financial institution with a long-term vision. They're investing in the technology and infrastructure necessary to build a sustainable and successful bank. Misconception 5. Rogers Bank is not innovative. Actually, Rogers Bank is very innovative in the way they are approaching the banking market. They are leveraging their existing technology and customer base to provide a seamless digital banking experience. So, to summarize, Rogers Bank is indeed a bank. It's a federally regulated Schedule I bank that offers a range of financial products and services. It's a relatively new player in the market, but it's leveraging its existing customer base and digital infrastructure to offer a competitive alternative to traditional banks. While it may not have the same history or branch network as the established banks, it offers a unique value proposition for customers who value convenience, rewards, and a tech-focused banking experience. The banking landscape is evolving rapidly. Digital disruption, changing customer expectations, and the rise of fintech are all reshaping the industry. Rogers Bank is part of this evolution, demonstrating that even established industries like banking are ripe for innovation and disruption. The key takeaway is that consumers now have more choices than ever before. It's important to do your research, understand your options, and choose the financial institution that best meets your needs. Don't just assume that the big, established banks are the only option. Explore the alternatives, consider the benefits, and make an informed decision. Rogers Bank is a testament to the power of innovation and the changing dynamics of the financial industry. It's a reminder that even in a highly regulated and traditional sector, there's always room for new players and new ideas. Remember, the question isn't just is Rogers Bank a bank, but is Rogers Bank the right bank for you? With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.